Today's odd and funny drawing is going to be Cuphead from the indie video game Cuphead. And funny enough, if you look from the neck down, it looks like Mickey Mouse a bit, as this style of cartoon is kind of a homage to the cartoon styles of the 1930s. Drawing cartoons is always really fun. You're not going to need a lot of colors for this. We're talking about a little bit of red and a little bit of black and a little bit of kind of brown for the shoes and kind of a gray color for the tones of the cup and the legs. I guess it would be his skin. Let's see how well you can draw this one. Off we go. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. We also do pencil sketches. Please visit our channel, Art for All, sketching for hundreds of beautiful sketches. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.